Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorials how to add an overlay and background on a CapCut by iPhone. So here on my project I already have the video. Let's have a check first. So I want to make this video as a background for my overlay. So next what we're gonna do is add the overlay. So we just need to go into these features on the bottom and choose the overlay options. Click it and then click overlay, and then I want to have a picture as on the top of the video on my project. Just click photo and choose which photos that you want to add as your overlay, and then click add. Okay, now I already have it, and now just resizing the picture by do the editing stuff like this, and then we just crop to resizing the pictures. Okay, I want to make it smaller so it's make us easier to do or to adjust, and then back into these sections. And then if you can see on this bottom option there is a cutout, just click the cutout and then click customize cutout over here, and now just use brush to remark which part that you want to keep on this project. For me, I want to keep this cup, so I will have a mark on this cup like this, and it will be generated like this, and then click done. And now you already have the object that you want to keep, and now you can resizing it by adjusting or drag it, hold, and okay, doing like this. And now you already have this overlay with a background of your first clip on your project. So let's have a test. Okay, so that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe into this channel.